Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpenyo trik mentau benai leber arzakat kendai. Haka ni kenong ba Shillong la pelong ya ke jelang, kebala tip kum ke National Tobacco Control Program. Ya kebala pelong da ketnat ke Koit ke Khiah Jong ke Sorkar jela. Banyalap sekipat ba Halor ke jing sneo ban kerni, ha ke jing bam bat ke jing di Duma. Ya kani ke jelang la pelong, ha hotel poinisok layum khra Shillong. Ha kebala dan rengkat ru Secretary Jong ketnat Health and Family Welfare Jong ke Sorkar jela Pravin Bakshi. Haba pensai Halor ke jing temu, ha keba pelong ya kani ke jelang. Dr. Rana J. Singh ulai tu bahagani ke jela, kidan hadu kat arlak ngot ki beriau, ki bala palat kasan senam karta, ki babami ki jing bam badan Duma, kumjo kitu ki badi yau Duma di. Ya ke National Tobacco Control Program lasdang haus nam 8,000 nyau 8,000 pra ringkat katong ban pesutu sekipat ba Halor ke Jingktah uduma ya ke Koit ke Khiah da ke ba penduna ru ya ke jing penmi bat ya ke jing penyak yau ya ke jing bam badan Duma bat uduma di ru kumjo.
People above 15 years of age, so 47% the people of Meghalaya use tobacco. Now what is population of Meghalaya? About 3.5 million, you can say. 35 lakh, if 35 lakh. So then how many adults are there? So for normally 70% people are adult. So roughly you can say 2.4 or 2.5 million are adult, and 47% of this population means your state has 12 lakh tobacco users. So this is small state. How many tobacco users? 12 lakh tobacco users are there in your state. And these are the people who will suffer from harmful effects of tobacco, whether it is chronic bronchitis, lung cancers, heart diseases, then other diabetes and all other chronic diseases caused by tobacco. So it's a huge burden. So it's a warning to all of you that until we start doing something, it's a big burden for all of us. And finally, good thing that we are finally starting. And what are the important things which we need to do? First of all, under the program, we need to establish an institutional framework for tobacco control. In each district at state level, there are some responsible levels. In each district, there should be a district tobacco control cell. There should be a district level coordination committee. You are all members of state level coordination committee. But this has to be at district level coordination committees and block level coordination committees should be there. Multi-stakeholder engagement. Normally, who is responsible for tobacco control? Everyone is using tobacco control. How it is that only health department is responsible for tobacco control? How many ministries, how many people are involved? Almost no one in this society can say that I am not directly or indirectly attached or related with tobacco. No one can say. Whether even if you are not using tobacco, you are being exposed to second-hand smoke exposure. Even if you are not tobacco user, someone in your family becomes ill, you are indirectly affected by tobacco.
You just go to police bazaar, you will see people are smoking away to glory. And so many children are moving around and they are all exposed to that second-hand smoke. Education, a very, very critical stakeholder department. Without them, without the support, we will not be able to move forward meaningfully when it comes to awareness campaigns. So how many schools are there which have put up these boards? Is there a yellow line which has been drawn around the schools that beyond this only the sale of tobacco can take place? What are the steps which have been taken? We had a very good workshop in the month of January supported by NIGRIMS and PGI, MAR, and they have said that you have to start early. You have to start early. You have to start with the kids. You have to start with the school children to make sure, as Dr. Rana has just mentioned, that they don't take up smoking.